We are mapping out the protocol for a standard at-home liver cleanse, a process designed to assist the body's natural filtration by clearing out accumulated metabolic waste. This process requires specific, fresh, whole food ingredients. When shopping, prioritize organic, raw items and bypass processed options like canned fruit cocktails, which contain added sugars that complicate the cleanse. Before addressing the liver, complete colon and kidney cleanses. These steps ensure primary exit pathways are clear. As illustrated, a liver cleanse triggers a massive release of toxins. Clearing the colon and kidneys allows safe exit without causing an internal backup or unnecessary organ stress. Schedule the protocol for a weekend. Start on Saturday morning so that your body has the entirety of Sunday for rest and recovery as the active phase concludes. Following these preparatory steps and adhering to the timing is necessary to ensure the reset is both safe and effective. Variation 1 is a smoothie-based cleanse. This option requires a rigid daily schedule and a specific combination of ingredients to facilitate the purge. The formula requires lemon juice, grated garlic, ginger, cold-pressed flaxseed oil, acidophilus, and cayenne pepper. Each serves a purpose. Ginger increases blood circulation, while cold-pressed flaxseed oil stabilizes bile production. Acidophilus prevents triglyceride spikes, while cayenne pepper provides heat to stimulate the movement of toxins. On the day of the cleanse, your diet is limited to fresh fruit for both breakfast and lunch. At 2 p.m., transition to a total fast. No solid food should be consumed for the remainder of the day. You will consume 3 servings of the smoothie at precise intervals, 2 p.m., 6 p.m., and 8 p.m. This combination is designed to trigger frequent physical purging. This is a normal process, indicating the system is successfully clearing out waste. Variation 1 uses trimed superfoods to force a metabolic flush, while the morning fruit provides enough baseline energy to sustain you through the day. Variation 2 provides a rapid flush of the liver and gallbladder, but requires absolute precision in your timing to function as intended. Immediately following the active cleanse, your body enters a 12 to 24-hour recovery window. During this time, the digestive system should remain largely at rest. Limit your intake exclusively to purified water and a specialized hepatic detox tea to keep the system hydrated without introducing complex solids. The tea should include dandelion root, milk thistle, and mountain grape. These hepatic herbs are selected to support the blood cleansing functions of the liver and assist in tissue recovery. These herbs must be steeped for 3 to 5 minutes in boiling water. Reaching this heat threshold is necessary to extract the active medicinal compounds from the roots and seeds. This extended liquid window allows the liver to focus its energy on restoring its baseline metabolic rate, rather than processing new food. The transition back to solid food must be handled carefully. Introducing a heavy meal too quickly can cause digestive distress and diminish the metabolic benefits of the purge. For the first 24 to 48 hours, eat only 1 serving of fresh fruit per meal to keep the digestive workload light. Next, begin integrating fresh vegetables. Finally, introduce soft proteins like steamed fish or tofu before returning to a standard diet. Returning to a diet structured around whole foods, such as a vegetarian or Paleolithic model, can help maintain the clarity and efficiency of your liver for a longer period. This gradual ramp-up in food density provides the body with the time it needs to resume normal digestive processing after the flush. By completing this protocol, you have cleared the metabolic buildup that can hinder internal filtration, allowing your liver to function without the burden of accumulated waste. Because this protocol is intensive, it is restricted on the calendar. The warning colors signify that this is an annual event, not a frequent routine. The golden rule for this cleanse is that it should be performed no more than once every 12 months to avoid placing excessive strain on your organs. If you feel the need for an internal reset more frequently than once a year, you must consult a medical professional to investigate the underlying cause of your symptoms. Supporting your internal health is a balance of aggressive periodic cleansing and a consistent respect for your body's biological limits.